Another great few nights in a great location. This is the second time we have stayed here in as many weeks. That speaks for itself. Great few nights, in a great location, helpful staff, loads of really cool bars and restaurants within walking distance. As well as ATMs, the Eco Park and Botanical Gardens, all at a really reasonable price. Great spot in Palermo, good location, easy to walk to underground, supermercados, cafes, restaurants, and bars. Comfy bed was great and very comfortable, friendly staff, everyone was nice and helpful in arranging tours, great walking tours from Art Factory team. Noise, room 9 was very noisy from traffic, needed earplugs to not wake up, but GF slept right through it. Bathrooms, very small and water temp had a mind of its own in the shower. Breakfast, we opted out and ate at cafes. Vibe, hostel was pretty empty and not as social as other hostels, more like a social B&B. Note that no elevator and stairs. Very good, nice place. Good value for money. I love the place. All good and comfy beds. The only thing is that kitchen is rather dirty, not suitable for cooking, otherwise rooms are clean. Great location for a couple of nights in BA. Great location, nice staff and a surprisingly good breakfast for a very reasonable price. We had a private room which had all we needed and access to the terrace. Nice big bed, TV, and fridge. We enjoyed our 2 nights and will look to stay here again when we in BA. Good location and suitable for couples. The location is off a main road, so not next to the hustle and bustle, but this is a good thing, so you get some peace and quiet after exploring noisy BA. Few minutes to subway by foot. This district is safe and convenient. Few minutes to subway Italian Plaza.